Okay, let's talk through where you'd place the stop in the chart on the previous page. So here we have the entry as shown, and the stop rule is low of price bar before entry or low of entry bar, whichever is lower. What we mean by this is we need to look at the low of the entry bar, which is this place right here. Of course, this bar being the entry bar. And we need to look at the low of the bar before entry, which is this low right here, the bar before the entry bar. We need to put the stop below whichever point is lower. Now, of course, we're talking about long positions here. If we were going short, this stop rule will state whichever is higher, the entry bar's high or the high of the bar before the entry. But to simplify the rule, we have applied it directly to just the long position shown here. So which one is lower, the entry bar's low or the low of the bar before entry? The answer is the low of the bar before entry, and the stop should be placed at the price indicated by the line. I hope you got that right. If you didn't, you may want to go over the stop loss section again, but if you did get that right, then please continue over to the next page and we'll go through another example.